Here we have Volkswagen Golf. It's a Mark 7 facelift 1.5 litre TSI GT Edition Evo 150 PS. The car is looking good and it has a top spec, including adaptive cruise control with front assist, a forward collision warning, an automatic post-collision brake, distance monitoring, a city emergency brake, and these 17-inch Dijon alloy wheels. Now, the boot is a good size, and it even comes equipped with a full-size spare wheel. The interior has a composition media system, a multi-device interface, and a USB port for Apple or Android CarPlay. So for more information, feel free to phone, email, or pop into Weston Volkswagen Newbridge.